Hey everybody, so I got three new cleaning products for the pool today, and these are all from the same brand. Now I did purchase these all separately. We got a very long pole. Now right now I have them separated just because it was a little too long. And then we have the net and we have the scrub brush. So you'll be able to see that the pole is in several different pieces and you can adjust it to different lengths that you wish. If I put all the poles together, we could pretty much we could go all the way across the 14-foot pole. So this would be great for both in-ground and above pools. If you got very large pools, this will work. And if you got smaller pools, this will work. But I also like that the net is a lot larger compared to some of the other nets. So like, let's say you use one of these smaller ones, it just doesn't hold quite as much. This one is just easier to use. And you can pretty much get the whole pole without even having to move spots. And of course, this pole is interchangeable with other nets. But we could also put one of these brushes on, and if you got an issue with like algae and stuff growing on your pool, you got that stuff building up at the bottom, even if it's just dirt and stuff, you can now use your brush and you can get in there and scrub the whole liner, which makes it a lot easier to do. And you can also do the sides of it as well. And I'll tell you that the brush is a great addition. And like I said, if it's way too long, take some of these off. But anyway, if you are looking for a pretty solid cleaning system to use, we got a brush, we got a net, and we got the pole. Definitely consider this one.